Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a WhatsApp group on your WhatsApp account. It's easy and simple, so let's jump on the tutorial. The first thing you want to do to get this option on your phone is by updating your WhatsApp app. Go to Play Store like this. Then what you're going to do next, search for WhatsApp. Go for the search bar and search for WhatsApp like this. Then you find this WhatsApp. If you have here the option update here in the blue option, you said to you that you must update in your app. Click on update and wait until the updating finish. Then when you finish in update this WhatsApp app, open it like this. Then as you see, it show you this WhatsApp account. Now to create a group on your WhatsApp, click on these three dots at the top right. Then click on new group. Then as you see here, it show you all your friend list here. What you're gonna do next, you will be select one of these persons like this. You select all this person like this, as you see. Then when you finish, click on this green allow. As you see, you select the friends you want to add to your WhatsApp group. For example, these persons like this. Then click on this green arrow. Then here you have the option to name your group. For example, a picture on this group. Click on this icon. Then choose from gallery or camera roll, for example, or choose an emoji and stickers, or you can search from web. As you see here, you can add an emoji to your picture, as you see. Then as you see here, it said you in the second option, yes, disappearing messages. If you want to edit them or make it off like this, then here you can select also the group permission. You have the permission to who can moderate your group, as you see here. Add other participants, edit group settings if you want. Then also you can approve new participants. You can enable it like this if you want. When you finish all these steps, go out from there and click on the green check mark at the end like this. Then your group, as you see, is created, as you see here. Now you can start chat your group. As you see, send messages, everything you want. If you want, for example, to delete this group, as you see here, this group is now created. So this is how to create the group on your on your WhatsApp account. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.